Where did you? Anything you want.
XRP Flippening Bitcoin talk heats up on social media. XRP talk heats up on crypto Twitter since XRP's market capitalization surpassed that of Ethereum ETH last week. Discussion regarding the asset's long-term prospects has popped in droves, with the project's dedicated even cult following taking to Twitter to tout their flavor of the month, so to speak. As recently put by Matty Greenspan of eToro, the go-to digital asset for Ripple Labs, basically winning social media. Binance CEO Hangpeng Hao, better known as CZ, acknowledged the XRP community as well, joking that the asset's heel is strong, before subsequently telling his followers to flush this wanton healing out of their systems in an apparent joke. Calls for a BTC Flippening ramp up still, while Zhao may have given XRP's advocates a chance to vent steam, while Bitcoin BTC found a home at $5,600, XRP went on its own self-contained micro-bull run, recently recovering from its November 14th multi-week low. As put by the Crypto Dog, a well-known pseudonymous crypto analyst, RP and XLM looking like they're ready to start alt season all by themselves. But, while calls for an LTCOIN season were present, some took these feelings to the extreme, with Ripple Riddler taking to Twitter to jokingly express that before the end of 2018, XRP will be number one in terms of market cap, adding that things are right around the corner. Riddler's comments are evidently alluding to the controversial sentiment that eventually, XRP will oust Bitcoin, before establishing hegemony over the cryptosphere as a whole. XRP even received some clout from Ren Nooner of CNBC Africa, who claimed that Bitcoin Cash's ongoing hash war NLY highlights that investors hold dump BTC and BCH, and then subsequently reallocate their wealth into the now second highest capitalized digital asset. Nooner even went on to issue all about how crypto investors would allocate their wealth into crypto over a 10-year period. And, to the surprise of some, XRP's proponents actually outed Bitcoins, beating the world's first cryptocurrency by a staggering 2,000 votes 12%. Even the image below, which highlights the Grim Reaper XRP knocking on the door of Bitcoin after massacring Ether, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, garnered 1,100 likes and 325 retweets, further cementing the asset's popularity and notoriety. The bottom line is that somehow, out of somewhere, a multitude of crypto investors have decided that eventually, XRP could surpass Bitcoin in some way, shape, or form. Maybe not. However, some took this Flippening discussion as nothing more than a joke, with a number of prominent crypto analysts investors poking fun at the Ripple community through a series of tweets. Moon Overlord, a cryptocurrency trader and well-known commentator, joked that he ironically thinks that XRP could flip BTC. Moon later doubled down on this trolling, taking to Twitter to explain that LMNDXRP, both parented in part by Jeb McCaleb, could reach $10 to $15 a pop in the near future, alluding to the market capitalization qualms that many altcoin maximalists struggle with. Bitlord echoed Moon's penchant for trolling, explaining that as Ripple's go-to token could flip BTC in 2019, then touching on the XRP standard meme joke that has circulated around crypto-related social media channels in recent years. On a more serious note, Craig Akitoshi Wright, a proponent of Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, had lots to say on the matter. Wright, an Australian cryptographer who claims to be Satoshi, explained that the asset is far from a utility token, adding that its use as a rateable good that is sold under the expectation of profit makes it a security. If the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or any respectable financial regulator for that matter, deemed XRP a security, a strong sell-off could ensue. Not only is XRP a potential security, but, as put by Crypto Hustle, not a permissionless decentralized money without masters, seemingly alluding to the argument that Ripple's system promotes centralization and the propagation of traditional financial systems. Regardless, it has only become even more apparent that talk surrounding the subject isn't slated to dissipate anytime soon, that's for sure.